And welcome back to Heavy Rain. We have cooled our heads and prepared ourselves for what we might have to do.
Kind of.
So let's see. Alright, so clear it all. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, you're gonna have something more important to deal with.
Continue? Give up? Fuck.
Check the map.
I did not want that.
No, do that. Sorry, that's
Files?
Yeah, go back to files, sorry. Go back to files. You didn't geo-analyze the other file, the second one, the last time. I think the victims. No, geo.
There is always a railroad line adjacent to where the bodies are found.
Yes, I know.
And all the victims disappeared in the fall.
Oh, there's an overlap. I don't think that means anything.
The killer is white, aged between 30 and 45. He is intelligent, calm, and determined.
What?
An organized
blood's
type.
coming down his other eye.
He has a car. He's probably employed, but his work
And I
allows
see
him free
veins.
time.
Is that the point, though? Like... Alright, yeah. Back to the main menu. So clear this. I would say... Map.
Oh.
Well, that was pointless. Clues, one more time.
Oh, fuck. Starting to piss me off.
Because guess what? I think what happens is they kind of want you to accuse Blake here. Because it's going to be a dead end. That's what they want you to do. So it's pointless to do that. I think it's in the fucking video. And the problem is pausing that video is so difficult. I think you're supposed to pause it on like... I don't know. You're supposed to pause it at a certain point. I can't figure out which one. The watch is a diversion. It's to throw you off. The sword is irrelevant. Not to mention, like, if we could just zoom in on this. So no, it's not the watch. Maybe now. The gloves. Rewind. Try to stop at the part where he's choking himself. Where it looks like he's choking himself. He's got both hands on his neck. Try to stop there and analyze that. Right there. Fuck. Keep going. No, that's not gonna, this is gonna be the sword again. So keep going. That's pointless. No. Keep going.
He's gonna die.
No. Fuck. You fucked it up, sorry. Like now.
Nope.
A little more, sorry. Alright, pause. Ah, fuck. Yeah. See, that's the issue, is like, you should just be able to press a button here. So...
I think we fucked up.
I think that's it. I don't know if there's anything else we can do. It's analysis impossible because he's out of the shot. Like or out of the shot, he's in the corner, there's not much going on. Also a skipped frame, which doesn't help.
You see me trying to pause too, and I can't.
Yeah. Alright, dude. I would say this. Do like one more, like here or something. Analyze it. Oh. It's gonna be impossible. Yeah, I say fuck it, dude. Go. Don't go accuse Blake. Try to not accuse Blake as best as possible.
Oh god, no.
Yeah.
And he's gonna die.
I hope not.
Man, this pisses me off.
I know. I'm telling you, man, dude, nothing's going right. Nothing's going right. It's the fucking move controller, definitely.
It's definitely the fucking move controller. It's impossible to play this game with it.
And this is, to be, if I'm completely honest. I mean, remember when I said this game had like 16 endings? Yeah.
Oh, now we get to see the kid die.
No, this isn't Sean. This is a flashback. I think I needed to play this game again to be able to anticipate some of the things and guide us through it.
I'm hurrying.
But oh well.
I'll be right back.
Go back. Actually, this time just do whatever I'm doing. Doesn't matter.
There's a car, but then nobody's in the car, right?
Oh, it's an empty car. It's a junk heap.
I didn't want NAHHHMEN to die.
You think I did? Best character in the game.
The only one with a fucking brain, I swear. Dude, that's my water bottle.
I will go get you another.
Dad, it's John.
I'm also gonna go get some more stuff.
Oh, get out of here, you little pest. Leave me
You
alone.
gotta come, Dad. Come on, John's gonna die. John's gonna
Well,
die.
that'll be one less greedy mouth to feed, won't it? Go away.
Please, Dad, I'm begging you. John's gonna die. John's gonna
What
die,
did I
Dad.
tell ya? Scrap!
What an ass.
Please, Dad. You've got to save John. I tried, John. I really tried. But he wouldn't come. Please don't die, John. Please. Don't forget about Scotty.
Really? That's it? That's how he dies? He's still holding on as long as he doesn't let himself just go down.
But did you notice what he called him?
Johnny?
No.
Scotty? Scotty? Oh no. John and Scotty? Johnny and Scotty? John and Scott?
Oh, he's John, the one that died.
The other one's Scott. Scott motherfucking Shelby. What the fuck?
Yep. But hey, I'll give you credit, dude. You actually caught on pretty early.
It's just it. Did this fucking freeze on us?
Uh-oh. David Cage, you are a master.
No. The whole thing just froze on us.
You froze, yep.
Several moments later. So what was the question?
I already forgot. No. Okay. What just happened? So
Yeah, we found out who the real killer was.
We fucked up. Okay, let's take a look at all of our fuck ups.
And sink. All right. Yeah, we fucked up pretty bad.
Yeah, I fucked up the broken glass trial. That was the first thing that really got fucked up, which was then bad because then we have less trials completed. But whatever. You fucked up the drug dealer, the kill the drug dealer trial. Not by accident. You just didn't realize that was gonna end the trial. So
yeah,
that was whatever. You fucked up one of the prompts for the drug, but again, you didn't realize that he was gonna take it. You thought that he wasn't. You were trying to make him not take it.
Yeah, exactly.
And then, as a result, Norman Jayden could no longer control himself, so he just kept taking it, and now he's dead. I believe.
Yes.
The best character in this game,
Norman Jayden,
is fucking dead now.
And it's all our fault. And here we have the Origami Killer.
This fat fuck.
Scott
Shelby.
Scott Shelby. Yeah.
Scotty.
Is he gonna kill himself?
See, this is how things happen like that.
I tried like 3 times.
And then you had the right. I told you the right address, but you went to the wrong one because of the interface. The interface was shitty. I mean, you'll have to go back and check like what happened there, but I mean,
yeah.
I told you 825 Theodore Roosevelt.
And that's what I read. Road.
You're not supposed to burn electronics.
Does it look like I give 2 flying fucks?
Well, you didn't have a choice there. Oh! He came back for the phone. That's why he was there. That sneaky bastard.
And the first...
And now do you see why every scene in this game is so weird to watch it the second time around? Because it's like, oh my god, he's the killer. Why is he here? Why is he doing this, you know?
And there's the freaking typewriter, like I said before.
There's no wind in here. Yeah. See, okay, here's the ending that I got. Or this is one part of the endings that I got.
How?
And Lauren wouldn't have heard it?
How?
Yeah, you were playing as him. You're literally playing as him. So, when did that happen? When did that occur? I mean, it's not fair because you were playing as the guy the whole time. So, you know.
That just pisses me off. That was such bullshit. Like, if it would have had me walk just and then it cuts to just Lauren, I would have understood that, I would have accepted that.
No.
But no. Does he go and kill her now?
No, he was here for some reason. I don't know why.
He must have taken the photo.
What photo?
The photo he just burned. Photo of his brother.
Oh, that's right, that's right.
You're an asshole. He's an asshole.
Yeah, he's the kid that survived. He's Scotty. And so his like psychotic response was to just keep framing to basically become a serial killer and to keep doing all these things. And he keeps putting fathers to the test to see if one of them will actually pass all the trials or something like that.
Which is very unfair.
It's psychotic.
It's psychotic and unfair.
It's OD, both of those things.
Well, we know that what's-his-face is also dead because he drank the poison, so... So she ain't getting no more dick. Also, why is the knob on the middle?
Dude, I don't know. Have you seen the guy's fridge?
Yeah, it's old-timey.
By the way, she's a journalist. All journalists know how to, or a photographer or whatever.
Lock,
all of them know how to pick locks. It's just a known fact. That's what they teach you when you get your journalism degree, you know? Oh, you messed up?
I messed up, and it's making me... What?
It's back and forward. Forward, back, forward, back.
Oh.
Like a saw. And then you do this one.
It's so abrupt. Like, how am I supposed to know when to stop? I'm gonna chuck this thing. I'm gonna chuck this thing, man. I can't take it anymore.
Want me to try it?
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it. Oh hell no. Everyone's gonna get a good laugh hearing me struggle.
Yeah, we should have had the camera on for this. Oh, there you go.
Fucking.
See, I kind of agree with this one being difficult because you're picking a fucking lock.
Yeah.
Most games make lock picking like, oh, press these two things. There you go, you pick the lock.
Origami Killer's apartment. There must be something that'll tell me where Sean Mars is.
Oh no.
I think I already know what's supposed to happen here.
She gonna die?
No.
That's where the smell of burning comes from. Evidence going up in smoke. A cop's uniform. Always trust a cop. That's why children went with him. He was dressed as a cop.
Wait, really? That's the explanation?
Wow.
So when Ethan blacked out, Scott Shelby came as a cop, dressed as a cop, and he took the kid. I guess. Yeah, I really like it when games like fuck with you like that. Like for reference, I just finished playing Persona 4, which fucks with you in the much in the same way.
You don't say.
Also,
orchards.
Also, you probably shouldn't have came here first, because you're about to get locked in. There was more to explore, but it's all good. Whatever, it's fine. You could go in there.
Yeah, now it lets me freaking go back. Assholes. Also, I guess I was wrong about the typewriter. Also, why does that...
What do you mean wrong about the typewriter?
Because the typewriter that I was referencing wasn't there.
What?
In the orchard room.
He used to be a cop. Probably knew exactly how an investigation...
Yeah, it's one number away from saying elite. Yeah, Scott Shelby is definitely not elite. There's his inhaler.
Should have taken that.
Yeah. Well, who's to say that he's gone? This is kind of like a repeat of her open introduction scene, you know, where she has a nightmare. The name Lauren Winter, ring a bell?
Oh my god, the
controls. Again, it's so ridiculous, dude. Scott Shelby is the killer, and but like he spent all this time playing detective. Why would you do that as a, like, I guess maybe to you know, get the cops off your tail, but why? What's the fucking point?
I mean, at some point, then we're gonna end up finding out his name. I guess he thought
somebody was gonna. All right, go into the room thingy. Just end it all.
Let's end this shit. I'm getting pissed.
No.
Wait, there's some stuff in there. Also, this chick has more balls than me, by the way.
Let's just go into a serial killer's house.
Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. What do you know? Wow. That looks pretty realistic.
Well, that's what this game was touted on originally too, graphics. This is supposed to be one of the best looking games on the PS3 at the time, I think.
And The Last of Us blew it out of the water a few years later.
I think re-releasing Final Fantasy VII on the PlayStation Store would blow this out of the water.
Yo, damn. Oh shit, more?
No, she's just checking it. I don't think.
Okay. There's a lot of butt shots with her.
Yeah. I think there's someone Ethan though. Ethan.
Yes, close the door behind you.
Dude, there's no reason to be here. Just go into the room. It's not like you're gonna find the Origami Killer.
What was that?
What? Oh.
Another inhaler.
Well, you know, one by his bed, one on him at all times.
Notice how the flowers on the light the light shades on the fan looked like orchids.
This is where he cultivated the orchids that he left on the chest of his victims.
But why? What's the
Sean
fucking
Mars.
point?
The lunatic's been watching him drown. But it's some kind of a well filling up with rain, slowly drowning him. There's not much time left.
Dude, that kid would have died by now.
Showing where the well is.
Like nobody would be drowning. First off, the cold. The cold.
There we go.
The cold.
Yeah, the cold would have
Shit,
done it.
needs a password.
Orchid.
Orchid?
Yeah.
Was it Oh, it's changing.
Yeah. Yeah, welcome to my world a few chapters ago.
Origami.
Rain. Max! It's Max, dude. It's definitely Max.
Got it. Max.
Wow.
Remember he
The
named all
name
his
John
dogs.
gave to his paper dogs when he was a child.
But that's still stupid. Like,
What
okay,
is
so
that?
you can't even set a password to
Address.
3 letters.
It's gotta be
Theodore
where Sean
Roosevelt
Mars is.
Road.
Hurry. There's no time to lose.
Did I? Okay, fuck it. I'm not even gonna mess with anything else. I at least gotta save one fucking life. Never
So
mind.
you found my little secret.
It's over, Scott. All those children killed just to find a father capable of saving his son?
Shut up! You don't understand.
Hey.
There's one child left. There might still be time to save him. Let him go. Do what your father couldn't do.
And she dies.
No, she's not
Get
gonna
in
die.
there.
But the lock is on the inside. It must be. Game's lagging again.
Come on. We're not gonna save that kid. Let's be real. We're not saving that kid.
Dude. There's some other prompt. No, you gotta check. That's right. Check the wall. Check the wall.
Come on, move, you woman.
There. Remember, that's the other closet on the other side.
Yeah.
So all you need to do is
Oh god.
you need to find the hollow part or something.
Yeah, the thing is that this game isn't good with like sound effects.
Or anything. Does that matter? Is there a single thing this game is good at?
He's filling it with smoke.
He's setting
She
you-
gonna die.
No, she's not. Trust. No. You're wasting your time.
Okay.
Now find something to break the wall. That's what it is. Pick up the typewriter. Or this. Whatever. It doesn't matter. Go back to the wall. I'm like backseat gaming like a motherfucker.
No.
Vertical. Left. This is bullshit. It's always the last one you try. This game is so full of shit. Like, what's the point of giving it a choice if it doesn't mean anything?
Jump through. Oh god. Of course, they gave me three button prompts.
Oh, it wasn't the closet. It was the bathroom. Oh. Go, 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 go.
He set the whole apartment on fire.
Yeah.
So now I have to run through the floor. Oh, fuck me.
Oh well. Go, 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 go.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, that one you have to actually mash. I don't know why she did that. I guess to climb the furniture.
I guess she found a spot that wasn't...
Okay. I'm gonna... Because we also don't want her to... No, you can't. She would die falling from that height.
It's way too high.
Oh god, and where?
If I jump.
Tell me. Just tell me. I don't
Yeah. I know. We don't... Go to the kitchen. Don't jump. Go to the kitchen. Go to the kitchen. Do your best to go to the kitchen. Left, 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 left. I believe this is the kitchen. No. This is the main office. Go left. Ish. No, more right. I keep going. Fine. Don't actually...
Come on! Is she going down?
Go for it, go for it.
I can't, this thing won't let me.
Oh shit. Oh, this is so hard to watch. I'm literally watching my friend struggle to save this character's life. I don't know where the kitchen is, but
the kitchen is this way.
Wherever you think the kitchen is, just go that way.
The thing is, because of all the... Oh, it's right behind me. So, remember where that desk is. If the desk is... Okay, so I have to go turn around and go this way.
Yes.
No, that's the room. This bitch gonna die.
I mean, dude, this game puts you in such a bad... Go right. Try going right. You've already done this. Try going right. If gone left...
Yo, if the controls weren't so bad, I would be able to beat this.
I know, I know, I know. Change the camera also. That might help.
This way. Okay, I see a doorway. That's
Change the camera again, because you're going to walk into fire. I mean, this is just... Dude, the stupid camera does not work here. It ruins the scene entirely. It ruins your ability to do this scene.
She dead.
No, no. Don't give up. Don't give up. Go somewhere.
Any step I take ruins the angle, the camera. Okay, I
go right,
see
go right,
door.
go right. It's
to the right? I saw the doorway to the kitchen, but I can't find a freaking
pathway. I know, I know.
I think they're gonna give us 3 coughs. After 3 coughs, that's it.
Change the camera. Just keep changing the camera.
See that locked door?
Yeah, yeah. I know, I know, no. That's... But
it's too... Damn it, the camera's so close.
No, dude, there was fire there. There was fire there. That one makes sense. Just keep changing the camera because you don't have a good idea of where you're going.
Okay, I think I know where to go now.
Okay.
I think I saw it.
Just keep changing... Yeah, go this...
I have to go around the table.
Around the table, yeah.
Jeez.
Oh my god, that's so stupid. No, go back to the kitchen. It's your only way.
Yeah, I'm going around the table.
Sorry.
There we go.
It's getting really excited.
Oh, come on. Trick. This.
I have my fingers crossed. I'm rooting for you, Hans.
And mash O1. After this, I'll have a pathway.
There you go. Yes, climb it. No, down, towards you. Or I see.
Oh, come on!
Yeah, she's literally in fire. We're so close.
That pissed me off.
The door, the right door, to the right. This is the kitchen. Yeah, fridge. Go in the fridge. Open the fridge. Open the fridge.
Okay, I got it.
Sorry, I'm just so excited.
Yo, are you gonna move?
Basically, they Indiana Jones it. You have to throw all the shit out and hide in the fridge.
You know she would suffocate worse in the fridge, right?
Yeah, well, it's a stupid trope it's a stupid trope that's been disproven.
And there's a canister that
when David Cage looked up this trope, he should have also read that this was disproven by the Mythbusters.
Also, the kid's gonna die. Oh wait, how?
Because she survived in the fridge. I don't know how she got out, but she survived because of the fridge.
This game pisses me off. She's gonna call Ethan now?
I think she's gonna give him the address, yeah.
Jayden's dead.
I know where Sean is. I've got to tell Ethan.
Hello?
Ethan, it's Madison. I know where Sean is. He's at 852 Theodore Roosevelt Road. He's still alive. You can still save him.
I'm on my way.
Be
Oh,
careful.
so he's still alive.
The killer's still out there.
Yeah, but Jayden's not alive.
No one's gonna stop me from saving my son.
Damn it.
I wanted Jayden.
See, because you could have also told Jayden and then he could have saved. I mean, it doesn't really matter.
Motorcycle. Now it's time for her to try.
So where are the police? Again, this is New York City. The police would be there 4 or 5 minutes.
4 or 5 minutes ago. Yeah, if I were playing this by myself, she would have been dead. She would have been dead. And now this kid.
Well, we're not playing as Sean, so why are they showing him? So I don't think we are.
Yeah, guys, you guys have no idea how frustrating it was. Powell, Nanners here was just looking at me, waving my freaking hands around.
Yeah.
Oh. So time is up. Sorry to leave you guys on a cliffhanger there.
But we know who the Origami Killer is now. We basically we're on the edge, so like this is gonna be one of the last parts. So
yeah, hopefully this next part that we do is gonna be the last. So thanks everyone for watching. Favorite, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so
like,
already.
comment, subscribe.
Like, yeah, and yeah, we'll see you next time.
All right, take care, everybody. Thanks for watching.